Welcome, everybody. I am extremely honored to be here with Dr. Ota today. And we are in Tokyo, Japan. And the reason I flew over here to have this incredible honor was because the work that Dr. Ota is doing and where the research is going and the application for people like us is so remarkable that I felt it was really exciting and wonderful to be able to share it with all of you. So welcome, Dr. Ota.
Yeah, thank you very much.
It is truly an honor to be able to sit with you and learn a little bit about the work that you've been doing around hydrogen. Tell me, when did you first begin studying hydrogen?
Oh yeah, and we started 13 years ago, so that means 2005.
2005?
Yes, and January.
In January.
Yeah.
What brought you to want to learn more about hydrogen? Why did you go there? And tell us a little bit about your career.
Because I spent more than 40 years on the research of mitochondria.
Of the mitochondria.
You know, mitochondria produce energy.
Correct.
Bioenergy, and also reactive oxygen species as a side effect. So we want to regulate the effect of reactive oxygen species, so-called oxidative stress.
Right.
Okay, and oxidative stress function as toxic molecules, and also sometimes give a benefit for our health. For example, after hard training, we receive the tolerance against oxidative. So the situation is very complicated. So we want to overcome the effect of oxidative stress. And we find the effect of hydrogen on the effect of the oxidative stress.
This is so interesting. So many people are looking to get more energy. And we know that within each and every one of our cells, we have the mitochondria, which are like the energy plants. So you had been studying mitochondrial health and energy for 40 years?
40 years.
That is remarkable.
Yeah.
That is so remarkable. And then there's a lot of questions about, should we be taking antioxidants? I have a background in resveratrol and using different antioxidants. But to be able to understand how to work with our own body to activate the antioxidant properties and fight the oxidative stress, is that some of the ways that hydrogen helps us?
And hydrogen is very small.
Yes.
And hydrogen can penetrate everywhere on our body.
Every single cell within our whole body?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I actually brought some hydrogen. So I thought while we are here together today, I just flew over 14 and a half hours and I took hydrogen while I was traveling. So I thought maybe what I'd do is, would you like one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna both take some hydrogen.
This bubble is a hydrogen.
This is the hydrogen. So tell us, we know that hydrogen is an element, but tell us a little bit about it.
Hydrogen can penetrate the membrane of the cells and function a lot of things. So it is difficult to say one word of the function of hydrogen. Hydrogen has a lot of function. So, but for the first time, hydrogen work antioxidant. And most oxidant has shortcomings. For example, the antioxidant that dissolved in water cannot penetrate the membrane. Membrane is composed of lipid. And inside, the cell is composed with water, water-soluble matter. So if the antioxidant is dissolved in water, it is difficult to penetrate the cell membrane, because cell membrane is composed with lipid. But hydrogen is very small and can penetrate everywhere and distribute everywhere in our body. And that's why hydrogen has a beneficial. And also, hydrogen is rather stable, and it is difficult react with a lot of things. And that means hydrogen is inert. You understand inert?
Right.
Okay. And is safe.
So hydrogen is inert and it's safe.
Yeah.
And it is capable of penetrating through the membrane.
Yeah.
Where most antioxidants that we would ingest are not capable of penetrating through the membrane.
Yeah, that's right.
So once it penetrates through the membrane, and I'm very excited for us to be drinking this, we're going to wait for it to fully dissolve, right? Which I think it has. So we could actually have some. Do you want to?
Yes. Yeah.
Cheers to hydrogen.
Kanpai. Yeah.